Hi, I'm Joe Solari, and I help authors build great businesses. We're in a golden age of content creation, where if you have a story to tell and are prepared to do some work, you can turn that story into money. I'm not here to tell you that that's a slam dunk and that it's really easy to do this business. In fact, it's the exact opposite. The folks that are making 6 and 7 figures as authors are dedicated to making customers happy by writing great stories. Now, if you think that that's what you want to do with the rest of your life, you've found the right place. And why is that? Because I'm going to teach you the business of writing. You see, inherent in your decision to make a living as writing means that you're going to be doing this for a long time, decades and decades. And you're going to have to build a business that supports you and your family, creates the lifestyle you want, and can give you money today and have money put away in the future when you want to work less. It also is going to need to generate the money to make that business grow and thrive and be sustainable and enduring. So if you're doing research and trying to figure out the best way to start that journey, you're in the right spot. And the best way to start is to subscribe to this channel and to make sure that you turn the alerts on, because I'm going to be providing you information on how you can use business practices to make your business work for you, not the other way around. The kind of resources you're going to find here is things like videos on should you set up a publishing company or not, how to build your mailing list, how to find your audience. There's going to be information about craft, there's going to be information about advertising and marketing, and best of all, I interview 6 and 7 figure authors that are sharing with you how they succeeded and where they see the industry going. Click that subscribe button and then pick one of the playlists here and watch a few of these videos. And finally, if you want to get more information on my approach to the business of writing, you can go to joesolari.com and learning about my business system and my book, Treat Your Writing Like a Business.